all need to share the stories of great people from us, from our own society. We have plenty of people who are really great people. Kindly share their stories. In our country, we have plenty of people who are really great people who are doing outstanding work. Kindly share their stories. You don't find their stories written in newspapers. The newspapers are not sharing their stories. It is our duty to share their stories. Ordinary people doing extraordinary work. Their stories need to be shared by people like us. We need to use our social media. We need to use our social media to share the stories of the great people around us. If people around us are doing extraordinary work, we need to share about them. We need to talk about them. And then only we will be able to change the perspective about today's time. Some people are saying we do not have good time today. Let's tell them this is the best time. Today we have large number of good people who are doing very good work. Let's talk about them. We have large number of good people who are taking initiatives for solving society's problem. Let's talk about them. We have today a large number of people who are taking initiative for helping others. Let's talk about them. Let's talk about them. There's a doctor who is charging only 1 rupee per patient. Yes, only 1 rupee per patient. Salutations to that doctor. Yes, you can find the story of that person on Google if you search it. Yes, there is one person who has created one forest single-handedly. Search on it. Forest Men of India. Search on Google. You will find his story. You will find the story of such a person, a great person. Let's talk about that person. There are so many stories like this, so many people like this who are at their own level doing great work. Small, ordinary individual trying to do something very positive. Let us talk about them. Let us respect them. Let us share their stories. Then we will be able to revive positive spirit around. Right? Lack of trust and our ability is the main problem today. If we can share the stories of these ordinary people with the youth, we will be able to create new dreams in the minds of the youth of today. Today, some people feel helpless. Why do you feel helpless? We are in a better world today. We can help each other. We can, help each other in solving problems. We can contribute to each other's cause, contribute to solving the society's problems. We should believe we are in the best time. We should believe we can solve any problem of our time. We should believe if we decide we can do really miracles. We can do great work. We should believe in it that yes, we have infinite potential. We can do great things. Change the belief system. If we can change our belief system, this will solve the problems that we are facing. We are able to solve our own problems through our own perspective, our approach towards life. Once we start believing that yes, we can solve our problem, once we start believing in our confidence, in our ability to solve the problems can be solved immediately. We should solve all the problems.